At Global Benefits Group, innovation and excellent customer experience is always our top priority. Thank you for choosing GBG. How to enroll in a student health insurance plan. If you don't have an educational agent, contact us at student.waiver@gbg.com. We are here to assist you. Let's get started. Go to the URL provided by your agent. The site is accessible in 4 languages. First, go to the search form and select your eligibility status. Next, complete the form. Once the form is ready, click on Search to display all the insurance plans that will match your school's requirement. If your school is not available, submit the Contact Us form and we will provide you the plans that will meet your school's requirements. Click on More Information or View Schedule of Benefits to learn more about the policy, or click on Enroll Now if you are ready. Input all your personal information. Review the summary and click on Accept the Terms and Conditions. Make sure to input the security symbols. You are all set. An email confirmation will arrive to your inbox. Open the email and click on Use this link. Input your last name and date of birth to access and download your member ID card and summary of benefits. Almost done. Make sure to register to the GBG member portal to manage all your health insurance plan benefits. Also, download my GBG app for all the same great functionality on the go. Thank you for choosing Global Benefits Group. Go! We'll be there.